Toward the start of the film, a family shows up in Canada to live. Furthermore, their monetary circumstance was desperate since they don't have some work, constraining them to live external the city. They have a child named Alex, and he tells he has no companion in Canada. That is the reason I used to invest a large portion of my energy with my mom's PC. There I mess around, converses with the outsiders on web and learn new things. Additionally, he tells individuals who have influenced the world. There is a site on the net from where we can bring in cash while simply tapping on it. From that point he acquires $140 in his day-to-day existence interestingly through that site and becomes content with it. Time elapses bit by bit and Alex develops senior. Then one night, Alex finds his mom sobbing when he gets back. His mom lets him know that she has lost her bank employment and we have no cash to give the house lease, we will be tossed out. Hearing this, Alex moves to his room and brings a case. What's more, there was huge amount of cash in it which he has gathered for the beyond couple of years. He gives that add up to his mom. However, seeing huge amount of cash, his mom asks, "Did you loot?" Alex says, "No mother, I haven't done anything wrong, however I have gathered this sum for my charges, be that as it may. Don't stress, I will once more gather cash for my expenses." He gives cash to his mom yet becomes discouraged with this sum for the past numerous years. Presently he doesn't have the foggiest idea how and when he will again gather cash for himself. Then he types "dull web" on his PC and it is a universe of net where every one of some unacceptable undertakings held. None can track down anybody here and Alex makes his record here. Be that as it may, he was approached to show his occupation when he requests consent to join the gathering. There was a self-important kid in his. Alex keenly gets his charge card. Then, at that point, he sends its subtleties to a man on the dim web who was a programmer. Who is a programmer? A programmer is the person who is talented to deal with the web and PC. He utilized his expertise to finish his specific reason in an incorrect manner and none find it. Alex's rank increments and because of it, he can arrive at a couple of things of dim web or can likewise utilize them. Afterward, Alex asks my desired programmer to bring in cash and him 2 PCs. What's more, requests that he sell them and the benefit will be similarly split between us. He did likewise and partition the cash while selling them. After it, the programmer sends the different costly things to Alex. As a matter of fact, the programmer used to purchase things from individuals' charge cards on dull web. Alex used to sell them. However, the city where Alex lives was little and he doesn't track down the purchases of the costly things. As folks, I'm going to the next city to finish my investigations. It was an immense city and he arrives at the city. There, he meets a kid who later turns into his companion. He says to Alex, "The things you need to sell, I will sell them effectively in no time except for I will take its 30%. Alex concurs for this and afterward they begin working. Presently, Alex was exhausted of little work and he maintains that should accomplish something else and gigantic. He shares with his companion, assuming that of individuals work in bank yet don't take care of their business genuinely, we can bring in a ton of cash. His companion says, "I will help you in this." He takes the subtleties of the cards of individuals who are untrustworthy from individuals who work there. Individuals who bring in cash from unlawful ways. Alex and his companion bring in a ton of cash and afterward one day, they were captured by the police. They give numerous costly watches to the police and were delivered. Presently, Alex back from the bank where his mom worked and she was ended. He went there as a client and tosses something down purposefully. He places a gadget in the PC while imagining that he is getting things, so he will send the saved information of the PC into his gadget. The bank administrator sees him doing this and calls Alex into his room and asks from where did he get this gadget. Presently, you need to tell everything right off the bat. Alex tells nothing, yet when the guy will call the police he consents to tell everything. Alex says, I wasn't attempting to burglarize the bank, yet it was only a trick. As a matter of fact, I have created a gadget through which I can introduce infection in any PC. I was simply arbitrarily checking your PC and your PC has an old framework. I will introduce another framework in it on the off chance that you need to, and I will make it like none will at any point attempt to hack it. I will do it free and won't charge anything. Every cheerful from you and the administrator settles on it. Then, at that point, he let them go from the bank. That evening, Alex gets messages from Dull Web. As a matter of fact, somebody has gotten out the word on Dull Web that Alex attempted to hack a bank's framework. Because of it, he becomes well known in Obscurity Web's reality. There was a message of the well-known programmer among those messages who is consistently in information. Alex ends up being eager to see his message. The following day, one more message of a young lady from Dull Web's reality. This young lady was named Kira, and she calls them to meet. Alex goes to meet her and requests that she work with them. She concurs and presently they begin cooperating. Kira has a machine through which she can make counterfeit charge cards. She makes many MasterCards with which they bring in a ton of cash. Presently, while working, they begin selling costly things. Furthermore, they all were Kira's clients, and when they are, she get those clients. Kira tells her uncle gives her those clients. They have pushed ahead in their hacking position that now they have another costly vehicle. Kira purchases that vehicle from one of her clients. That is the reason Alex's companion thinks her. Furthermore, he says to Alex, in the event that she can do everything with the assistance of her uncle, why she really want us? Alex disregards him, and afterward they done a colossal arrangement to purchase something. Kira was finishing this work and Alex's companion moved those clients. Presently they begin contending. During this, Alex's companion contacts that client, and after it, they point their firearms at them. They were thugs, and presently the conditions deteriorates, and the pioneer says, in the event that you will attempt to offer things to anybody, I will end you. Afterward, they come to Hong Kong, as Kira said, on the grounds that she generally need to come here. Arriving at here, they begin shopping with their phony charge cards they made. Their point, one evening, they move to a club where Alex's companion gets into a battle with a young lady. Alex and his companion were captured by the police because of it. Kira thus charges them with the assistance of her dad. The following morning, Alex and Kira were staying there, and Alex's companion shows up and apologizes for that evening. He has sold and purchased a ton of things, and he has large chunk of change. In reality, he has utilized a unique visa they get when they were at the point when Kira doesn't work with them. The card was gainful on the grounds that a colossal sum can be pulled out at once. Assuming they will involve it for the second time, they will be gotten. Alex becomes enraged when he finds he has utilized that card. They start contend. Alex requests that his companion return Canada, and he does likewise and returns. Alex and Kira were left here, and they take $2.3 million with the assistance of their phony MasterCards. Left the dim web's card all over the place. It is let in the news know that there is burglary of $2.3 million in Hong Kong. None realizes who has done this. The greatest programmer of the dull web who controls the dim web assumes the liability to find who has done this. Kira concludes she will skirt this occupation since she has huge load of cash and needs to consume a quiet time on Earth. Alex actually needs to proceed with this work. They were squabbling over it in the meantime. Message of that programmer. He values them for the assignment of MasterCards. Alex says, I need to meet you. However, the programmer says no, this is beyond the realm of possibilities. Alex says there is an arrangement through which we can procure billions, and the programmer prepares to meet them. Hearing this, they go to meet that programmer who was on a wheelchair and his face was likewise demolished. He says why I ought to work with you. Alex says I have an arrangement through which we can procure billions. Like I told you. The programmer says on the off chance that you will truly do any mix-up, then you as well as your family, companions and family members will be finished. Presently, Alex lets him know his thought and leaves with Kira. Furthermore, they get a call of Alex's companion when they were in the vehicle. He is sorry to him and says I have comes to Hong Kong and hanging tight for you in the inn. Then his entryway ringer rings and he thinks Alex and Kira have shown up. As he opens the entryway, there was another person. They are individuals whom visas are by Alex's companion, and on it, Alex contended with him. Alex and Kira likewise arrive at the lodging inevitably and see their companion as finished by somebody. Alex ends up being vexed. Presently he needs to call the police, however, Kira says we can't do this, and doing this we can be gotten. They need to leave the inn. The following day, they get the programmer's call. He says I need to work on your thoughts, so they begin chipping away at it. Kira move into a room where individuals were at that point sitting on PCs. The bank director is displayed in the following scene, because of whom the offer market is great, yet the buddies of the renowned programmer shoots him. As he kicks the bucket, Alex, Kira, and their group begin getting out this word on the planet. It was additionally told in the news, because of which the gigantic money managers of the urban communities begin selling their portions at low cost. Moreover, the offer market whose condition was ruins, and the renowned programmer purchases those offers. It implies he has bought exorbitant offers at low costs. Because of it, he gets advantage of $1 billion. He likewise sends Alex's share into his record. After it, Alex, Kira, and their sidekicks leave from that point. The bank's executive is shown hunting with his companions. Furthermore, he was let on standby know that his demise word is gotten out in the entire world. The man is shown who was shot a projectile while thinking about the executive. He was really given the get-up, and this was Alex's plan, so the bunny market will demolish on account of his passing news and they will get the advantage of $1 billion. It happened something very similar. Alex and Kira were sitting in their vehicle. In the meantime, two men show up who make them faint. What's more, Alex's face was covered with a material when he wakes up. He gets some information about Kira, however find no solution. Presently the one who was staying there gets a call and requests to leave Alex. And he finds his PC broken and there was nothing in his wallet. He some way or another returns to the city and calls Kira. However, her number was turned off, and subsequent to finding Kira for a long time, he attempts to open the dim web. Presently the dim web was involved by the public authority. Afterward, he watches the news and finds the popular programmer is additionally captured on the grounds that he has done numerous unlawful assignments. His sidekick Kira, who was attempting to run past on in light of shooting us, Alex attempts to open the dim web. That is the reason the police show up and capture him. Alex was in prison for a considerable length of time. He understands his mix-up in 2 years and presently he needs to leave and meet his loved ones. He was delivered following 2 years. When he gets out, there was a young lady in the vehicle and she was, as a matter of fact, Kira. He becomes amazed to see Kira alive and here. She tells Alex all that and says the uncle about whom I told you was, in all honesty, administrator who got you with gadget in the bank. As a matter of fact, I was in prison and the chief came to meet me in prison and made an arrangement with the public authority to get the renowned programmer. He remembered me for that arrangement. Consequently, he vowed to eliminate every one of the claims from me. That is the reason I become a piece of the arrangement, and he requested that I remember you for this arrangement while giving me your document. Then, at that point, I met you and I continued to say to move to Hong Kong. However, you would rather not go. Furthermore, who pointed their firearms at us were a piece of this arrangement, so you will prepare to go to Hong Kong. where the programmer resided, so we will got him while moving there. She says you know the further story, however. Alex says you deceived me, yet Kira says I never misled you. I attempted to let you know commonly, yet I proved unable afterward. She gives him his genuine identification and asks, might you want to return home with me? They then move in their vehicle and drive away to carry on with a genuine and great life.